Oh, gandule rice, the ultimate comfort food around. And guess what? You can make it in the Instant Pot or rice pot. I'll show you how. To a pan, add achiote oil, pork tenderloin, bacon. You'll cook that through until brown. Then you'll add some garlic, bell peppers, and onions, and cook that down until the onions are translucent. Then you'll add your cilantro and your green onions, and all you have to do is cook that for a little while more until your greens wilt, and set that aside. To the Instant Pot, add rinsed white rice, chicken stock, and sazon goya packet along with tomato sauce, rinsed gandule beans, and drained olives. You'll add the pork mix in and mix until well combined. Then you'll cover and close and set the lid to sealing. You'll cook on the rice setting for 12 minutes, low pressure, natural pressure release for 10, and then you'll let the steam out, open it up, and all you have to do is fluff it up. So yummy. Enjoy.